Is Call of Duty down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Call of Duty right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with Call of Duty. I already went to Twitter to their status and if I search for Call of Duty down, you will see that users are complaining for servers problems. So you have to know that you are not the only one who have problems with Call of Duty right now. You don't have to worry about it because they will fix this as soon as possible. So if you do have issues with Call of Duty right now, you can comment in the comment section down below with your problems, if it's still down, if it's up, what the issues you have. And you can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified once we upload an update. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.